Get ready for a complete box office breakdown. From surprising early estimates to massive international predictions, we have the fresh data you need to see who is dominating the chart today. Let's check out the numbers right now. Today we are looking at Toy Story 5 Day 26 versus Minions and Monsters Day 14 versus Evil Dead Burn Day 5 versus Moana Day 5 box office collection comparison. So let's get the video started.
Looking at the Day 4, Day 13 and Day 25 domestic box office numbers. Toy Story 5 posted an early domestic estimate of $3.5 million on Day 25. Minions and Monsters earned an estimated $4 million domestically on Day 13. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn brought in an estimated $1.6 million at the domestic box office on Day 4. And Moana delivered an estimated $4 million domestic gross on its fourth day. Now let's move over to the Day 4, Day 13 and Day 25 worldwide box office results. Toy Story 5 recorded an early worldwide estimate of $4.2 million on Day 25. Minions and Monsters generated an estimated $10 million worldwide on Day 13. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn added approximately $4.2 million worldwide on Day 4. And Moana continued its strong run, posting an early worldwide estimate of $9 million on its fourth day. Now let's move on to the Day 5, Day 14 and Day 26 domestic projections. Toy Story 5 is projected to earn approximately $3 million domestically on its 26th day. Minions and Monsters is expected to bring in around $3.5 million at the domestic box office on Day 14. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn is projected to collect approximately $1.4 million domestically on Day 5. And Moana is expected to add roughly $4 million domestically on its fifth day. Now let's take a look at the Day 5, Day 14 and Day 26 international projections. Toy Story 5 is projected to add approximately $3.9 million from international markets on Day 26. Minions and Monsters is expected to earn around $4.6 million internationally on Day 14. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn is projected to collect approximately $1.2 million from international markets on Day 5. And Moana is expected to generate roughly $5.2 million internationally on its fifth day. Combining domestic and international earnings. Let's look at the Day 5, Day 14 and Day 26 worldwide projections. Toy Story 5 is projected to collect approximately $6.9 million worldwide on Day 26. Minions and Monsters is expected to bring in around $8.1 million worldwide on Day 14. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn is projected to earn approximately $2.6 million worldwide on Day 5. And Moana is expected to add another $9.2 million worldwide on its fifth day. Now let's check the cumulative domestic totals. After 26 days in theaters, Toy Story 5 is estimated to reach an outstanding domestic total of $410.3 million. After 14 days, Minions and Monsters is projected to secure strong $115.7 million domestically. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn is expected to post a domestic total of $16.7 million in its first 5 days. And Moana is on track to clear the $51 million mark domestically after just 5 days. Now let's move on to the international totals. Toy Story 5 is estimated to accumulate an impressive $483.4 million from international markets after 26 days. Minions and Monsters is projected to reach $182.3 million internationally after 14 days. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn is expected to wrap up its first 5 days with $15.3 million internationally. And Moana is on track to hit $62.2 million internationally after 5 days in theaters. With domestic and international earnings combined, Toy Story 5 has reached an incredible estimated $893.6 million worldwide after 26 days. Minions and Monsters is projected to surpass the $298 million worldwide milestone in just 14 days. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn is expected to climb to $31.8 million worldwide after 5 days. And Moana is on track to cross the $113.2 million worldwide mark in only 5 days.
Moving on to the box office budgets and verdicts. Toy Story 5 carried a massive $250 million price tag, but with its current moment, the film is already tracking to become an all-time blockbuster. Meanwhile, Minions and Monsters, produced on a much leaner $85 million budget, is comfortably looking like a super hit based on these numbers. As for Evil Dead Burn, it holds a master budget of $20 million. As of right now, it's holding an average status at the box office, but as the numbers roll in over the coming days, it's highly expected to secure a clean hit tag. And finally, let's talk about Moana. With a heavy $250 million production cost, the film is currently struggling at the box office. We are seeing noticeable daily drops, making it tough to say if it will manage to cross the hit threshold. So if you will watched any of these four movies, which one was your absolute favorite? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more box office updates.